Aloha, and welcome to Waikiki, Hawaii's iconic paradise, where the warmth of the sun meets the rhythm of the waves. In this video, we'll embark on a journey through the best places and experiences that Waikiki has to offer. From the golden sands of its beaches to the vibrant energy of its bustling streets, Waikiki beckons travelers from around the world to immerse themselves in its beauty and charm. So grab your sunscreen and get ready for an unforgettable adventure. First up, we have the world-famous Waikiki Beach. Whether you're catching waves on a surfboard or simply soaking up the sun, it offers an unforgettable experience for all. It's no wonder Waikiki Beach is hailed as one of the most beautiful beaches in the world. Stretching 2 miles along the southern coast of Oahu, with its pristine sands and turquoise waters, this beach is a haven for sun worshippers and water sports enthusiasts alike. But Waikiki is not just about lounging on the beach. It's also a mecca for surfers of all skill levels. The gentle rolling waves and warm waters make it the perfect place to learn how to surf, with numerous surf schools and rental shops lining the shore. For experienced surfers seeking a challenge, the breaks off of Waikiki Beach provide world-class waves that will test your skills and leave you exhilarated. From classic longboard waves to more advanced breaks, there's something for everyone here. When it comes to accommodations, Waikiki is famous for its many hotels, each offering a unique mix of luxury, comfort, and Hawaiian hospitality. Some of the most famous hotels in Waikiki are the Royal Hawaiian, known as the Pink Palace of the Pacific, the Moana Surf Rider, called the First Lady of Waikiki, and the Halekulani, known for its luxury and elegance. Next, we have Kalakaua Avenue, Waikiki's premier shopping and dining destination. Lined with an array of shops, boutiques, and restaurants, this vibrant avenue offers something for every taste and budget. Kalakaua Avenue is named after King David Kalakaua, the last reigning king of the Kingdom of Hawaii. This iconic street is a tribute to his legacy and love for the arts and culture. Along Kalakaua Avenue, you'll find an array of world-renowned shops and boutiques catering to every taste and style. From luxury brands like Gucci and Louis Vuitton at the Royal Hawaiian Center to local favorites like Mahina and Nordstrom Rack, there's something here for every shopper to discover. Waikiki is also home to some of the most famous open-air malls in the world, providing a diverse range of shopping experiences for avid shoppers. The two most distinguished malls in Waikiki are the Royal Hawaiian Center and the International Marketplace. The Royal Hawaiian Center boasts over 110 shops and restaurants, offering a delightful mix of high-end fashion brands, local artisans' creations, and delectable dining options. Visitors shouldn't miss the chance to explore stores like Kate Spade New York and Tory Burch for luxury fashion, as well as discovering unique Hawaiian gifts at Nahoku and Island Soap and Candleworks. The International Marketplace presents a modern shopping complex with a distinct Hawaiian charm. With over 80 retailers and dining establishments, visitors can enjoy a wide array of choices set against the backdrop of a stunning banyan tree. From flagship stores like Saks Fifth Avenue to local favorites such as Kai Coffee Hawaii and Eating House 1849. The International Marketplace caters to the diverse shopping and dining preferences of visitors of all tastes. For a taste of authentic Hawaiian culture, be sure to experience a Chief's Luau, where you're treated to a mesmerizing showcase of traditional hula dancing, fire knife performances, and live music. A luau is a traditional Hawaiian feast or party that celebrates special occasions. It's a cultural experience that gives visitors a glimpse into the rich history and traditions of Hawaii. What sets Chief's Luau apart is its dedication to preserving and sharing the spirit of aloha with visitors from around the world. As the sun sets, Kalakaua Avenue comes alive with a vibrant nightlife scene. Explore the bustling streets and discover an array of bars, clubs, and live music venues where you can dance the night away. Don't miss iconic spots like Sky Waikiki or Rumfire for cocktails with a view, or Blue Note Hawaii for world-class live entertainment. All right. As the sun sets on our adventure in Waikiki, we hope you've been inspired to explore this tropical paradise for yourself. With its breathtaking beaches, vibrant culture, and endless array of experiences, Waikiki truly is a slice of paradise on earth. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel guides and tips. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and be sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Mahalo for watching, and until next time, aloha.